What's up, guys? It's me, and today I have I have a question and an answer for you guys. Question is, do I have a GoPro? Answer: yes. I'll show you in a split second. It is called. Here it is. It's called the 4K Ultra HD Magnition. I think it's called. It has built-in Wi-Fi. I think. Yeah, it does. Built-in Wi-Fi. Charging right now, but you just turn on these. There we go. And yeah, so here's the GoPro. I'm gonna give you a little bit of audio, not audio slowable, but I'm gonna show you a small clip from the GoPro. Here's some GoPro footage. This is the GoPro view, and kind of audio sucks for sure. And there you go. So guys, there's the GoPro view. I just want to tell you a little bit about this bad boy. Um, just I'm probably gonna try to record some videos from from this computer. Um, you might see some footage off the GoPro for that. Maybe a little bit, not too much. Maybe be coming in the near future. I don't know. Just depends on what I feel like doing. Uh, Probably gonna do a little bit of this over the weekend. Gonna edit some videos, and well, there you go. Peace out.